Hi, viewers. We are going to discuss about the Polymer Matrix Composite process. Okay. This process used in the fabrication of polymer matrix composite. This process to determine the final properties of the composite material. Okay. Uh, this polymer matrix composite having um, five types. Okay. First one is hand lay process. Second one is spray process, and then compression molding, injection molding, autoclave molding. Okay, these are the various process. At first, we're going to discuss the hand layer process. Okay, in this process, this is the manual method where layer to fiber and laid into a mold, and resin is applied using processor rollers. Okay, after applying each layer, the resin is allowed to cure. Okay. Having some advantages. First one is it will be very simple and inexpensive, and this is the suitable process for all the large structures. Okay, and labor intensive and inconsistent resin distribution is the major disadvantages of hand lay process. Okay. And then going to see about spray process, right? This it's involved spraying soft fiber and resin into mold to form a composite parts. Okay, this process often used for making large parts such as bolt hulls. Okay, uh, here is this process. Can be easy to quick and efficient for large scale production, and it will be minimal labor required for this process. uh, we need minimal labor only required. This is the advantages of spray process. This in this process, difficulty in achieving consistent fiber orientation. Okay, next, compression molding. In compression molding is involving a pre-measured amount of composite material into a heated mold, okay, which is then closed and compressed under pressure to form the desired shape. Okay. Uh, Here we have some advantages in this process. Good for it will be the good for mass production of complex shape, and while doing this, while making any product, here the material wastage will be very low. Okay, and in this process, we can use the limited, we can make the limited parts with relative to simple shapes only. Okay, and then we can see the injection molding. Injection molding, in injection molding, the resin is injected to uh, mold under high pressure, where it flows and fills the cavity, escape and reinforcement materials. Okay, in this process, highly efficient and suitable for high volume production, and excellent dimensional controls, and it will be this tool cost will be very high. Okay. uh, this process is suitable for making home appliance products and other automobile parts also. Okay, and the final one is the autoclave molding. Okay, in it's involve curing composite materials under heat and pressure in a autoclave. Right, this method is commonly used for advanced composites such as those used in aerospace application, right? Here produces high performance. Okay, and defect free process. Defect will be very low in this process, right? But it will be very expensive and time consuming is the disadvantages of autoclave molding. Thank